Hi everyone! Today I want to quickly show you how to use Lokuma Agent to generate a beautifully designed website with Lokuma. First, on homepage, find the Design Agent under Lokuma product. On the Design Agent page, you'll find the install instructions and the CLI command. Just copy that command simply and run it in your terminal to install Lokuma locally. Once that's done, go back to the website, sign into your account and get your API key. Then pass the API key to your local setup so your AI 2 can now connect to Lokuma. For this demo, I'm using Claude Code, but you can also use other tools depending on your workflow. After the setup is complete, I ask Claude Code to use the Lokuma skill to generate a website. In this case, I'm creating an alpine ski website. And here's the result. You can see the page already has much stronger layout, clearer visual hierarchy, better typography, and an overall more polished design feel. That's what Lokuma does. It helps AI generate websites that don't just work, but actually design. Take a look, this alpine ski site turned out really beautiful. Try Lokuma today.